Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, see how to. Click on the subscribe button below and also click on the bell beside this. This will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Last night, we reported that Nollywood veteran actor kasumu Kayode Odumosu is dead after a long fight with an ailment. You will recall that many were moved to tears while some cried widely when they saw the health condition of veteran actor kasumu at Folukede Amola's gala event and awards that was organized for the veterans in the industry. The program is tagged Para. Revealed that it was accumulated that kasumu has been battling with a recurring illness since 2009. In 2011, the news went viral that he reportedly suffered stroke. You will be forced to ask if that is really popular kasumu we see on screen. He has lost so much weight that people couldn't control their tears when they saw him. Nollywood actress Folukede Amola, who confirmed the death yesterday, posted a footage showing the last days of kasumu.
Ẹ̀wọ̀n dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ àwọn tí wọ́n ti náwó sí níwọ̀n bá ṣe tí agbára wọn ká. Mo ní kọ́ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ àwọn tó ti náwó sí wọn nígbà tágbára wọn ká. Mo dájú kan dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn díẹ̀. Ó yá sà.
I thank those who sent some money to me, and
Para Foundation.
through Para Foundation and Folukede Amola actor.
Daddy is thanking everybody that has sent money to him one way or another, and àwọn èèyàn jẹ́ pé wọ́n ń send owó sí Para náà one way or another. Èlò láti decide pé ká wá ra wheelchair fún wọn just to ease out some things for him, and he's saying thank you in his own way, as you can see, and whatever support you can render, not only to him, even the average Mara sort of an at whatever support you can render to the foundation, to them as individuals, it is welcome. God bless you. Yeah, come and cut it. So I want to do from different shots. Can I record? Somebody record more.
So anything vegetable, anything. I'll now tell you, because I they stay around. It's
easy to do something.
That is anything. So it's just to introduce the things that you would eat, like the maize, okra. Emma, ruby, not amala or whatever, or semu. You just do.
wọ́n ní mọ́mí ẹ̀gbọ́n máa ń bò sí sí mọ́mí làwọn.
Ṣeun bẹ́ẹ̀ ló fi ọ̀rọ̀ ó fẹ́ lọ fọkùn bá ìyàwó mi sọ̀rọ̀ ó fẹ́ bá ìyàwó mi lọ́wọ́ mi.
Dárí iṣẹ́ ẹ̀gbọ́n wọn lè fẹ́ fògùn bàyàwó àwọn.
Ìkó yìí wà ní o.
Wọ́n àti ẹ̀gbọ́n yín rárá sí.
Ọgbọ́n mi.
Màmá rẹ̀ kò bá focus bí.
Ọ̀túnba ẹ̀ lè bàyàwó mi o.
Ọgbọ́n tó ti máa ń sọ French. French náà fi máa wọ̀ sọ̀rọ̀. Wọ́n ti kúrò Nàìjíríà lọ́wọ́ rẹ̀.
Ìmáfẹ́ foreign. Okay, let's do this. Like I said, we are doing this in no particular order. What we are doing might not be enough, but it comes from the depth of our hearts, and by the grace of God, this will only get bigger. So we can God will bless you. And all those who have supported me for this.
This is what life is about. When you can give.
Any politician who calls actors and actresses just for election purpose and does not remember them after election will not do anything. Ìpè tí mo pín ìfẹ́ máa ṣe kìbọ̀ tí mo ṣe yẹn àrọ̀ nù. Ṣàmì o. Even pastor ṣàmì. The owner of this car.
Nissan,
It's a Nissan Jeep. I know that most people don't know their car numbers. Grey Nissan Jeep. MUS 100 FH. Okay, let's go. Photographers. Anytime walk you will. God bless you. Now can we have the presentation?
All right. Moving on to the presentation now.
Have a little music in the background.
Something nice.
Give me something light. Something light.
Ẹ fẹ́ lọ máa gbé bọ́ọ̀lì.
Sorry.
Killing the girl since 19 Gbogboro.
Olaide, the daughter of Bakari, who watch later Gonja Kubomo. No, Gonja Kubomo. Who called the Chinese at the record in Gonja Kubomo. Ṣé kí n máa sọ àwọn orin tó bá pílẹ̀ fún ẹ tó bá ní Maniki ọ̀rẹ́ ìmọ̀ fún 10,000. So ti ready? First one. Ọmọ wa rè sọ́jà la fẹ́ sọdún. Àbọ̀dé yìí sọ́jà. Ẹ̀gbọ́n àpò lè ní láíláí. Mo lè yẹ fún ẹbí. Lálẹ́ ọjọ́ kan mo gbà tẹ̀lé etí oko. Àyà kí ni yóò.
To distribute it evenly so that everyone can get a piece. If you want to adopt any of our veterans, please reach out to Kayode Odumosu Foundation. They will be able to distribute evenly amongst them and there will be accountability. It's easy that way. So support them, please. Adopt an elder. You can commit, I'm sure Kayode will give us more details. You can commit to giving to them monthly. You can commit to giving to them quarterly. You can commit to give it to them yearly. You can give as little as 20,000, 10,000, as much as God helps you with. You can do that.
Actually,
Come and take this picture.